Don't book your hotel in Kandy until you figure out where to stay. Some areas are beautiful but isolated. Others are convenient but noisy. In this travel video, we'll show you the safest and most convenient areas, plus the top budget-friendly hotels in each one. Welcome to Love Hard Travel Harder. In today's Sri Lanka vlog, we're guiding you through Kandy, a must-visit city on any Sri Lanka tour. For first-time travelers, whether you're a couple or looking for a family-friendly option, figuring out where to stay can be confusing, so we're making it simple. First, we'll explain the best areas for first-timers, and then we'll give you our top 10 affordable hidden gem hotels in Kandy, Sri Lanka. This isn't just a simple hotel review. We've analyzed hundreds of traveler reviews across Agoda, Booking.com, and Google to curate this list, so you only see hotels that are actually worth staying in. Make sure you watch till the end because hotel number 1 is in the best area for first-time visitors. So, for first-timers, there are 3 main areas to consider. First is Kandy City Center and Lakeside. This is the best choice if you want to be in the heart of the action, with attractions like the Temple of the Tooth Relic and Kandy Lake just a short walk away. Second are the serene hillsides, in neighborhoods like Aniwata and Hanthana. These spots offer incredible views and a peaceful escape from the city hustle, perfect for relaxation and some light adventure travel, all while being just a short tuk-tuk ride from the center. Finally, you have the riverside and garden retreats, found along the Mahaweli River or near the Peradeniya Botanical Gardens. These hotels offer a lush, quiet sanctuary perfect for relaxing after a day of sightseeing. Now that you know the best areas to stay in Kandy for first-time travelers, here are the top 10 affordable hidden gem hotels we recommend. A quick note on what we mean by affordable. While some of these picks are splurges, we chose them because they offer incredible value for money, delivering a high-end, hidden gem experience that is totally worth it. Number 10. Aarunya Nature Resort and Spa. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Aarunya Nature Resort and Spa, a hotel for those seeking a wellness-focused splurge. Located about a 40-minute drive from Kandy, this is a true escape into the nature of wonderful Sri Lanka. With an average price of around $250 to $350 a night, it's an aspirational pick, but it delivers incredible value for a luxury wellness experience. It sits in the hills, making it a great base for exploring central Sri Lanka, including day trips to Sigiriya. Couples love it for the private villas with plunge pools, the stunning infinity pool, and the restorative yoga classes. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and travelers consistently mention the breathtaking views and the feeling of total tranquility. The main con is its distance from Kandy City, so it's less for sightseeing in town and more for unwinding at the resort. But for a special occasion, it's a smart choice for experiencing 5-star wellness at a boutique price. Number 9. The Kandy House. At number 9 is another iconic splurge, the Kandy House. This ancestral manor, located in a quiet area called Gunapana, has been converted into a designer hotel that feels both historic and incredibly stylish. Nightly rates often hover around $300 to $400, but booking in the off-season can make it more accessible for a special trip. It's located in a peaceful garden oasis about a 15 to 20-minute drive from Kandy Lake, offering a perfect break from the city's chaos. Couples adore the romantic atmosphere, the stunning infinity pool that overlooks paddy fields, and the personalized butler service. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and travelers mentioned the unforgettable dining experiences on the veranda and the sheer beauty of the restored manor. The only real con is the higher price point and that you'll need a tuk-tuk for any city exploration. Still, for a honeymoon or a milestone celebration, this hotel in Sri Lanka is a smart choice for experiencing one of the country's most famous boutique properties. Number 8. Villa Rosa. Coming in at number 8 is Villa Rosa, a perfect example of a serene garden retreat. With nightly rates around $140 to $185, this colonial-style villa is located in the hills just a 10-minute ride from Kandy Center, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle. Its location provides stunning valley views, especially from the beautiful infinity pool. It's ideal for couples who want to relax, with spacious, elegant rooms and private balconies. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and travelers raved about the delicious food served on the terrace, the incredibly helpful staff, and the free tuk-tuk service into town, which is a huge plus. A small con is that it's not within walking distance of attractions, but the hotel's transport service easily solves that. This makes it a smart choice for travelers who want a quiet, colonial-style budget stay with amazing views. Number 7. Rivora Heights. At number 7, we have Rivora Heights, a stylish boutique hotel in the hillside area near Kandy Viewpoint. With prices typically between $85 and $115 per night, it offers fantastic value. It's conveniently located just outside the main city hustle, but still close enough that attractions like the Temple of the Tooth are only a short tuk-tuk ride away. Couples enjoy the infinity pool with its stellar views and the modern, comfortable rooms, many of which have balconies looking over the mountains. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and travelers mentioned how much they loved the brand new feel of the hotel, the friendly staff, and the delicious breakfast served with a panoramic view. A minor con is that being on a hill means a steep walk, so you'll likely rely on tuk-tuks to get back up. But for a modern Kandy budget hotel with incredible views at a great price, this is a very smart choice. Number 6. W15 Hanthana Estate. Next up at number 6 is W15 Hanthana Estate, a gorgeous colonial bungalow located in the Hanthana Mountains. With rates often around $150 to $200 per night, it offers an affordable luxury experience that feels a world away from the city noise. It's about a 15-minute drive from Kandy Lake, making it a true hillside retreat, and it's very close to the Ceylon Tea Museum. Couples love the romantic, classic meets modern design, and we wish we could give you a full room tour of these gorgeous Kandy hotel rooms. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and guests consistently praised the panoramic mountain views from the breakfast terrace and the peaceful atmosphere. The main con is that you are reliant on transport to get to and from Kandy, so it's less spontaneous for city exploring. However, for design-minded couples looking for a quiet, stylish escape in nature, it's a brilliant choice. We're now entering our top 5 hidden gems in Kandy. If you're finding this guide useful, do us a favor and hit that like button. It really helps our channel. Now, let's see which hotels made it into the top 5. Number 5. King's Pavilion. Our number 5 pick is King's Pavilion, a beautiful hotel that strikes a balance between a luxury look and an intimate feel. Located in the serene hillside neighborhood of Aarunya, it's just a 10-minute drive from the city center. Prices can be a bit of a splurge, sometimes starting around $370, but deals can be found. It's known for its dramatic, misty mountain setting that makes you feel like you're on top of the world. Couples love the romantic rooms with 4-poster beds and the personalized service that makes it feel exclusive. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and travelers raved about the incredible staff, the stunning infinity pool, and the delicious Sri Lankan food at the restaurant. A minor con could be the price, which puts it at the higher end of our affordable list, but it delivers a 5-star feeling for less than a large resort. For a special occasion, it's a smart choice that offers luxury and intimacy. Number 4. Clove Villa. At number 4 is Clove Villa, a true hidden gem that perfectly captures the intimate villa experience. Located in a quiet residential part of the hillside area, it's about a 10-minute drive from the city center. With rates around $170 a night, this 7-room boutique villa offers privacy and style. It's perfect for couples who want a more personal stay, with a beautiful private pool and garden, and curated meals that feel like a private dining experience. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and travelers consistently called it an oasis, and praised the sensational food and the incredibly attentive staff who make you feel right at home. One small con is that its small size means you need to book far in advance, especially during peak season. But for a private, stylish, and locally hosted experience, Clove Villa is a fantastic choice. Number 3. Sky Pavilion. Coming in at number 3 is Sky Pavilion, an owner-operated boutique villa that delivers huge value. Perched on a hill with panoramic views, it's about a 10-minute drive from the Temple of the Tooth, with average prices around $100 to $140 per night. It's an amazing deal for what you get. This spot is ideal for couples who appreciate incredible views, as the rooms and terrace overlook the Mahaweli River and surrounding mountains. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and guests repeatedly mentioned the stunning, almost unbelievable views from the breakfast terrace, the delicious home-cooked Sri Lankan dinners, and the warm, personal service from the hosts. The only small con is its location on a steep hill, so walking back isn't easy, but the hotel can arrange a reliable tuk-tuk. For savvy travelers who love budget travel but also wanted all style, views, and service at a great price, this is one of the smartest choices in Kandy. Number 2. The Radh. Our runner-up is the Radh, the definition of a chic urban boutique hotel right in the city center. With rates around $120 to $200 a night, you are paying for an unbeatable location. It's situated just a few minutes walk from the Temple of the Tooth and Kandy Lake, allowing you to step out your door and be in the middle of everything. The Kandy train station is also nearby. Couples love the stylish, locally inspired interiors, and the convenience of being able to explore the city entirely on foot is a massive plus for your Sri Lanka travel itinerary. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and travelers raved about the first-class location, the incredibly helpful staff, and the hotel's calm, oasis-like feel despite being in the city's heart. A minor con is that rooms facing the street can experience some city noise, but the convenience is unmatched. For first-timers who want to prioritize location without sacrificing style and comfort, this is an excellent choice. Number 1. Rue Boutique. And our number 1 affordable hidden gem is Rue Boutique, which is in the best area for first-time visitors, right on Kandy Lake, with rooms sometimes found for around $150 to $200. This beautifully updated heritage building offers what we call heritage chic. You are literally a stone's throw from the lake and a short, pleasant walk to the Temple of the Tooth. Its location is simply perfect. Couples especially love the romantic atmosphere and the rooms with balconies that have a wonderful view of the lakeside. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and guests consistently praised the superb location, the immaculate, tastefully decorated rooms, and the exceptionally welcoming staff. The only small con is that rooms at the front with the best views may get some traffic noise, but guests say it's quiet at night. It's the perfect blend of prime location, historical character, and modern comfort, making it our pick for the best hotel in Kandy for first-time travelers. So there you have it, our guide to the best areas and our top 10 picks for a budget hotel for your first trip to Kandy, Sri Lanka. Every hotel we featured has strong ratings and real traveler reviews, no sponsored picks. We hope this helps you choose the perfect place to stay and have an amazing trip. Tell us in the comments which area you'd love to stay in. We've added Agoda links in the description if you want to check current prices, photos, or reviews for any of these hotels. Thanks for watching Love Hard Travel Harder. We hope you enjoyed this Sri Lanka vlog and subscribe for more smart budget-friendly travel guides every week.